Mahalo, Billy. Okay, so I mentioned earlier, if you know the hula, please come up. I also realized that I have the power of the mic, and I'm probably just gonna start picking on people at some point. So I'm gonna get the ball rolling a little bit. And earlier, Billy and Mele had sent the mahalo out to the Halau, Onohi for helping to kind of keep things in order in the backstage. Kumu Tracie Lopes is doing an awesome job back there. But I do want to call up the ladies of Onohi and they're gonna do this song, another original composition, actually written by their Kumu, Tracie's husband Keawe Lopes, and it's a song that talks about integrity. It's a song that talks about the great lengths that people go through in order to keep the truth from everybody. And you guys know the thing about lying. Yeah, but lying is hard actually, because you always gotta remember who you're lying to and what the lie is. And so it's so much easier to tell the truth. That's what this song is talking about. And so we'd like to now welcome the ladies of Onohi up to the stage. Big round of applause for them. Big winners at the Merry Monarch Festival every year. A song entitled Awalau Hula. That's the ladies of Onohi, the song entitled Awalau Hula. Thank you, ladies. Beautiful.